So here we have some 40V developer from two different brands, and the only difference is the price. They actually work the same. We got some pens for the weave and the hair, some hair dye that we'll be using after the hair is finished bleached. This is the powder base we'll be using along with the scoop that it comes with. Makes everything neat. Make sure you always wear gloves when you're bleaching any type of weave because it is dangerous. This is a black mixing bowl. It's very affordable at your local hair store. If you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. When mixing your powder and liquid base of bleach, you want to make sure the consistency is not too thick or not too thin, because then it just throws off the hair. So you just want to make sure it's right in the middle, and make sure to put those gloves on before you begin. There's no specific technique on how to put the bleach on the hair. You just want to make sure you put it on every inch, in the back, under, right where the track lining is and all, just so you can make sure that color is even once you finish and rinse it out. So what's holding up my weave in this video on my mannequin head are the pens that I showed you guys in the beginning. This was actually a whole entire set that I purchased off of Amazon for a great price. If anyone is interested in buying one for things like this or their personal use, I definitely agree that you'd love this. This is actually the second time this hair is being bleached, just because it was definitely a dark brown and it takes a lot more to change that color to a completely blonde. So I did want to let you guys know that. So what I like to do once I finish one certain section of the bleaching or dyeing process of weave is group the sections up in like one little bundle, just so the color kind of sets in, or the bleach can set into that one section privately, because I feel like it just get better results like that.